Why we meditate? To answer this question, we can ask like this: why we breathe? We've been breathing ever since we are born. Without breathing, we cannot feel, we cannot think, we cannot meditate. All those activities is impossible. With breathing, we can maintain our life. So, breathing is the bottom line of meditation. So, we can say we meditate for our life. Then someone can ask like this: I don't do meditation, but still I'm alive. There is no problem to live without meditation. So, what's the point of meditation? I will share all those good things of meditation by times, but I can say like this right now. Meditation is not just for your physical life. It can help you mentally and more deeply spiritually. Now we move from why to how. How we meditate. There are only three things for start. First, body. You meditate with your body. Without body, you cannot breathe, then you cannot meditate. Always start from your body. Second, change. Everything is changing. You meditate with your body, watching all changes through your body. So, how to see those changes? You are watching is more like pay attention to, but it's not like the level of concentration. It's more like awareness. Be aware of all changes around you. Third, balance. This balance doesn't mean exact the middle of two sides. Avoiding these two sides, I can say these are extreme. You are balancing by situation and condition and circumstances. So this balance flexibly adjusting for making the best decision. So it's just not for meditation, it'll help in general life. So shortly, I will summarize. You meditate for your life. You meditate with your body, and you are aware of all changes. balance. That's the fundamental things and just starting point of meditation. Through this series of contents, I hope I share my experience and know-how about meditation. Hopefully, you can find your own meditation in your life. Then meditation is going to be your lifestyle. Thank you so much.